Where are we right now? Which booth are we in?
Basic fun. it's called Basic Fun, and it's fun, and it's basic. The toys are basic, and they're fun. They're basic. They're basic and they're fun. So it's basic fun.
Well, you heard the man. This is the Basic Fun booth at New York Toy Fair 2020. I'm Tiffany and welcome back to my channel. You're gonna see a musical montage of the video and the photos of the booth. I'm gonna have all of like the retail info and when you can purchase all of these items on my blog at playliverepeat.com very, very soon. So just enjoy the video. You're gonna be able to see new Mashems, the new Care Bears line, new additions to their highly popular globes, their glitter globes, new cutitos and babitos, some cutie little figures called bobble bottoms where their butts bobble, they have booty bobbles, and there's a brand new doll line with Curli Girls, they're called. They have curly hair and they're really cool. I just love the new Mashems, so obsessed with them. Guys, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Please ask me in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer them for you and help you out. So many new Mashems, guys, so many, so make sure you stay tuned. Some cool new wearables featuring like unicorns and rockets from their Play Hut line, so kids can actually pretend and play even more so than ever. So Basic Fun is more than basic, it's totally fun. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the video and don't forget to like and subscribe if you're watching on IGTV. Please don't forget to follow me, comment, share, and tag a friend. Thank you so much to Basic Fun for the fun tour as always. Enjoy.